Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Friday to all those out there in TV land. The markets overnight, beans a little bit higher, corn and wheat a little bit lower. For the bean market, we're kind of following some of the higher Chinese markets. There was talk that the Chinese government is going to try to stimulate their economy, and that also the issue of bird flu might be easing. Both issues could help the demand for food and imports of beans into China. The other markets, we're all kind of watching the weather pretty closely. It'll be off and on showers this weekend across parts of the Midwest, but a much bigger rain event is moving across the Midwest early next week, and that'll kind of slow planting. Still, most people think that as much as maybe 40, but maybe 35% of the U.S. corn crop might have gotten planted this week, and that's a big jump from last week. Other than that, not too much. The dollar's higher, crude's higher, copper's higher, U.S. stocks are higher, all in response to the possibility of a better Chinese economic recovery. Today we're going to be getting a private estimate of U.S. 2013 planted acres by crop. Most people think because of the wet spring, farmers did not plant as much corn as intended, and that acres might switch to soybeans. So we'll see if they agree with that and put out with similar numbers. So I think markets are kind of split up into the corn and wheat market, kind of seeing a little bit of topping action because of the concern about demand, and that if we have good crops in 2013 that we'll see higher supply, lower prices. In the beans, we're still struggling with the old crop U.S. tight soybean supply, and that prices may not be high enough yet to slow demand, especially the crush that is running at a pace above what we're needed to do to get to the USDA goal. Again, hope you have a good weekend, and these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.